Meet the compact cavitation RF machine, designed for safe and effective home use, with 2 powerful handles. Achieving your body and skin goals has never been easier. Setting up is quick and simple. Plug in, power on, and select your treatment mode using the intuitive touchscreen. The cavitation RF handle targets stubborn fat layers, breaking them down with ultrasonic energy while tightening the skin with radio frequency. Use gentle circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes on each area. The RF suction handle combines vacuum suction and radio frequency to lift and sculpt while boosting blood circulation. Glide it along the area for another 5 to 10 minutes. After use, clean the handles with a soft cloth to keep your device in excellent condition. Enjoy professional quality results from the comfort of your home.